All right, guys, we just got back from our breakfast brunch at the Balsa Cafe. That was really good, right?
Very nice.
Cute little place right in the middle of the rice field.
Yeah, we had bacon, egg, rice, and with iced tea.
Yes, and how much was breakfast? 500 pesos?
515.
But I also had a coffee.
Coffee and fries.
Right, coffee and fries. So
yes.
2 breakfast, coffee, fries.
Yeah, 515 pesos.
All right, cool. And now we're at the Sandscape?
Sea Breeze Hotel.
Sea Breeze Hotel. In what town?
Liloan.
Liloan in Southern Leyte on the Eastern Peninsula, right? So really beautiful peninsula area here. I'll put in a map. Obviously I'll convert all the prices out, but let's do a quick tour since we're here in this beautiful resort here. No, just kidding. So, you know, someone made a comment about as far as why don't, you know, spend a little bit more, but I mean, we're really trying to be budget minded. So this is just a real small, how much is it, Joe?
1,500.
So 1,500 a night, you know, really small.
Yeah, it's just a place to crash, nothing fancy.
Right, exactly, right? Because we're mostly outdoors.
Yeah, we're mostly all around exploring.
Yeah, we're mostly outside, kind of cruising around, checking out the beach and stuff like that. But just a quick view of the room. Really nice. Actually, we got a hot water heater in this one now, so that's going to be cool. Yeah, just real simple bathroom. No, nothing fancy schmancy, but you know, affordable. And you know, for me, as long as it's got aircon and a bed, and actually aircon, I'm becoming Filipino a little bit where the aircon isn't as critical. Definitely a fan, but yeah, aircon's nice. This room's fun. So anyways, I think we're gonna go down. We saw a marine sanctuary kind of thing.
Yeah, marine park.
Marine parks. We're gonna go look at that. We're gonna do some exploring around here. We might be for a day or two. We're just kind of, we don't really have a schedule. We're just kind of winging it as far as what we want to do. Yes, you know what, sister. All right, guys, we'll be right back, and more to come. Definitely. Bye. And bean. All right, guys, so we just, what, a couple minutes from the hotel is this marine park, and we're heading on our way down there now. A couple minutes from the hotel. Really beautiful. Yeah, check this view out, guys. Just really amazing view right here, man. Joe, I think we're on Gilligan's Island. What do you think?
Gilligan's Island?
You don't know Gilligan's Island?
No.
You don't know Gilligan's Island? Oh my goodness.
Sorry. I'm a noob.
No, you're fine. You're just younger.
When we were here, this walk right here was not here before. It was still under construction.
So you're saying when you were here, a lot of this is new?
This is the only new that I noticed.
Yeah. So Joe's saying this part here is right new, which makes sense. It looks like it's new, new construction, but wow, look at that, man.
There's cottages there.
I'm sorry, what?
Cottages.
Cottages right there?
Yeah, but you have to get reservations in advance.
So you can rent out those cottages right there?
Yeah.
Wow, incredible. How do you get to them? They get you a little boat?
Yeah, like the boat.
Wow, can you imagine?
It's just very shallow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we went there, it's just above our knee.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's not very deep there. It's nice.
Wow. Feels good, the breeze, honestly. It's really nice. So you say there's been some photo shoots here?
Yeah, when they have their wedding,
nice.
prenup, debut. Yeah.
Okay. So this is a highly photographed area for weddings and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Beautiful.
So
I can see why. It's breathtaking.
Yeah, and the wind, it adds the dramatic effect.
Yeah. Right? Well, and it feels nice. All right, let's check out up here. along these kind of mangroves here. Really beautiful area. So how long has this part been here, you say?
How long?
How long has this part been here?
I don't know, like maybe a year.
A year or so? Not very long? Okay.
No, 2 years maybe?
2 years maybe?
Yeah.
And it's great because it connects you kind of out to this. It connects you out to this island. It connects you out to this island right here. Yeah. How beautiful. Wow. Check out that view. Wow.
Amazing.
Yes. Truly beautiful. Truly beautiful. Yeah, the water, guys, I'm not sure if it's going to show up in the camera, but the water is like, yeah, it's like Gatorade blue. Yeah.
Other parts of
Yep. Yeah, even out there, man, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is where I wish I had my 360 camera, right? Yeah. This would just be amazing on the 360 camera, and just so easy to film, you know, I could just shoot it all. Right, soon guys, I'll have my 360 camera back, real soon. Guy down here fishing. Do you fish, Joe?
No, I don't know how.
I really want to learn, I want to fish. I miss fishing. Yeah, it's just beautiful out.
Oh my gosh, no.
Oh, are we cliff jumping?
No, I think they're making one.
I think we head into a dead end here.
They're making one soon.
Oh, there we are. We're at the end of the line, guys.
But yeah, you can jump here.
Yeah?
They're right there.
Yeah. Just really spectacular. Look at this view here, man. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh, they're connecting this one to there.
Oh, yeah. Okay. That makes sense. So they're connecting this is going to go all the way out to the other island right there. Well, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah, because it used to be just boat going back and forth.
Just boats?
Yeah.
And who knows? Maybe eventually it leads over to the United States.
Oh my. Yeah, it leads to the moon.
Yes, right? All right, guys. We just out exploring this area. I think next we're going to go to where? The beach, you said?
Bituon Beach.
Bituon Beach. We're going to go there. So we'll be back in just a moment. Ampin. Guys, we just found this amazing beach. Look at this behind me. Look at this.
A gem.
Yes.
Very
just
quiet.
Unbelievable. We're just cruising around. We saw this beach sign. We're like, oh, let's go check it out. We're looking at maybe staying here tomorrow night. We're checking out some rooms. They're about, they have rooms 1,500, 2,500, and 3,000.
Yep, the 2,500 has aircon but no toilet. The 3,000 has aircon with toilet. Okay. And the 1,500 is only
just electric
fan.
But I mean, with the breeze right here, it's really not that bad. Yeah. So. Anyways, we're gonna get some keys, look at some room. We're good for one night in our other hotel, but maybe we'll spend tomorrow night out here. I mean, this is paradise. We're gonna film the entrance in here because it is just breathtaking. I mean, but look at that view. I mean, wow. Just unbelievable. Really, really beautiful. All right, guys, more exploring. We'll be back. Hey, what's up, everybody? We're out here. It's about sunset. Beautiful day, man. Yeah. I love this little town. What's the name of this town?
Liloan. And right now we're here in Liloan Bay Walk.
Oh my gosh, guys, it is just incredible. Take a look at this. Take a look. We're about ready to see sunset. We've got sunset here coming up. Just a really, really spectacular view. It's really beautiful. And you know, they're not super used to foreigners here, so they really react.
Yeah, everyone's okay.
Yeah, so it's Southern Leyte, and you know, it's completely safe. I asked Joe. I said, is this should we be uncomfortable? I mean, it's people are just stopping and staring.
Yeah, just curiosity. And
Yeah. No, but it's completely safe. It's completely comfortable. We're in Southern Leyte. We're on the Eastern Peninsula. I'll put up a map of exactly where we're at. But so just incredibly beautiful scene here. Friendly people, small town. I love it. I actually really love it. Tomorrow. We're staying at this place. Get ready.
Yeah, rush out.
Lots of incredible footage coming up here from Southern Leyte. It's just so beautiful. Again, let's just pan around and look here. This truly amazing sunset right on that boardwalk. It's incredible. All right, guys, we'll be back in a second with more.